This video is something completely different and way off topic. I'm on a couple of Mustang groups and I'm always sending pictures and stuff. I figured why not just make a video for these guys about my crazy Mustang I made. Found this thing in a garage. It was being used as a storage bin pretty much. Had a bunch of crap in it. The interior was shot. The floorboards are rusted out. Interior was all eaten away by rats and stuff. Car was doomed for the junkyard. It's not a rare model. It's not a GT or anything. It's just a 69 Fastback. Figured I would Mad Max the interior. So yeah, I went full rat rod on it. Yeah, diamond plate interior. That's all aluminum. Made the dash myself. Speed Hut gauges. Those are expensive gauges. Ball bearing gas pedal. Roll bar interior. Dynamat flooring. Carpet. Had a pretty good sound system in it. I just ran the diamond plate all through it. Tried to make whatever I could out of scrap. Give it the rat rod look. Put a drift brake in it. Use a Schlitz malt liquor handle. I can also do good interiors. Built this little Cobra Mustang. It was doomed for the junkyard also. I made the interior on that one look nice. I kept the car kind of stock looking. Put a Cobra engine in it. But for my 69, I went all old school suspension. Rebuilt Ford 9-inch rear end. Drop spindles. I did all the performance stuff that the vintage race car guys do. I lowered the hell out of it, dropped it down as much as I could with aero race wheels. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. I put a 363 stroker in it, dart block, 4-bolt main. Then stuck a Weiand supercharger on it with the 8-injector Fitech fuel injection. Forged pistons and piston rods, twisted wedge heads. And then I coupled it up to a 700 R4 Chevy transmission. They just make those stronger for racing applications. I busted a couple of transmissions when I first started this thing. I went with an automatic transmission. That was probably a mistake. You'll see the red button on there on the gate shifter. That's kind of from Mad Max. He pulls the red button and the supercharger comes on. That red button on mine is actually just a transmission lockout. Just thought it looked cool. But I sold those cars and I bought this here Raptor. I need a truck and my kid crashed my other truck. So that's what you get. You can't come out of this game unscathed. Got this cool looking old school voltmeter. 0 to 150. I mean, that makes sense, right?